Top YouTube, here we are, fully refreshed 480X. I went up with a black frame, red A-arm, the bottom one, with the blue hubs, all the corner, service, yellow and guard, MSR clutch lever, pro taper grips, renthal fat bar, with +2 albaracing stem, billet aluminum albaracing with Monster Energy breather. That's a custom made. You can't buy it. You can't buy those. This is what I did. So yeah, red swing arm with bling bling on the sticker. Holeshot gncc tire with albaracing beadlocks. They used to be yellow, but I painted black because I was not yellow anymore. I wanted something different, so here we are. Kenda roadgo front tire, ITP front rims, DG front bumper, and what we have in the back, lexx MXC slip-on, no quiet core, of course. I don't want fucking quiet core. I like the sound it makes, great sound. And yeah, just got my handlebar today. I was pumped to get a ride on it, a first ride on it on the summer, but of course it started raining, so I'm gonna have to wait 2 days because tomorrow it's raining too, and I'm working, so I'm not gonna have much time for riding it. But maybe this weekend I'm gonna put a video, the first ride after the rebuild. I did the piston, the rings, valves, valve seals, everything. The crank was still in good shape, so still on the stock crank on it. So yeah. Also got Canon air filter with open air box. I got 45 155 jets in it, and because I'm at sea level and it's perfect, it's running perfect, so I'm gonna let it that way. So yeah, I'm gonna start it up for you guys just to hear the sound. So yeah, sound pretty great, but it's cold. So yeah. So if you want to see more of this or this or this, you just have to subscribe, like, and share everything you want. So yeah, stay tuned for more video of this guy. I'm gonna post it up this weekend. I'm gonna try to, if it stopped raining soon. And I'm gonna post some videos of that guy too soon. And this dirt bike is my girlfriend's boy. He got this, and it was smoky as fuck. So I went up and ordered a new piston, and I completely rebuilt the top end on it. So now it's working like a charm. So you can start it up if you want to hear it, I guess. Yeah. So, pretty good. Oh yeah, it's working pretty fine. It's a 70. So yeah, it's working good. It's working good. I don't know what the fuck is that thing. It's something to make it quiet, but was not made for that pipe, I guess. He got it like that, so it's running good. Gonna let it like that. And you don't need to hear this one. It's just boring quad, so yeah. So yeah, if you want us to see more about me working on the quads, dirt bikes, and everything, subscribe, damn it. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos about it. Peace.